I already got most of the stuff packed up. Ate my breakfast, most of it. Oatmeal didn't taste very good this morning, so I, quite frankly, didn't eat that much of it. I buried it. The oatmeal just wasn't that good. Sun's up. It's bright. Actually kind of foggy out. Got some fog rising off of the creek. I kind of want to get out there and paddle through it. It's kind of neat. It's going away pretty quick. The water feels warm relative to the air temperature. Yesterday, all day paddling, it was cold compared to the air temperature. So it must be kind of cold out right now. I would venture into the 50s, I suppose. Well, pack up the last few items here, slide this kayak into the water, and downstream we go with the current this time. Quiet morning on Fisheating Creek. I wonder if this captures the currents. You can see the flow of the current there. Well, now to get in my butt in that kayak and start paddling downstream. Downstream instead of upstream. Upstream all day yesterday. Now it's downstream. Morning fog on Fisheating Creek. That's the old campsite. Nothing but the weeds sticking up. There's the log we were sitting on, just barely up out of the water. So nice and quiet out here in that morning. It's eerily cool. .33. .31. That's the island I usually camp out on. The water's way up there. Way up there. I think I'll go over there and have a break. Morning break. It's 9:25. I've stopped at what is campsite 2. As you can see, there isn't much left of it. It's all watered in. Can't walk into the woods off this way. It's all flooded. It's a little tiny island today. Alligators usually sit up here and sunbathe, but it's all underwater today. The water's so high, you usually see them all the alligators diving into the water along here. You should paddle by. Not today. The alligators are finding it hard to find dry land to sun today. It's 10 to 11, just past mile marker 24. Had to take another break. Water's really high. It's hard to follow the creek sometimes because it just ventures out into the cypress trees. And it takes you out into the nowhere zone. Water, water everywhere. Leaves of 3, let it be. I think this is poison ivy. Even got the reddish vine. Over here. Pretty sure that's all poison ivy. Did I get 23 before? I don't know. There's 23. 22. I'll load it up and ready to go home.